Hi, my name is Gayot, and today I'm going to explain about sheet metal cutting process. Okay, so let's start with the introduction. Okay, sheet metal cutting involves press working operations with cutting edges applied to the material. The main goal is to remove part of the sheet metal through high force cutting. Shearing force is applied perpendicularly to the sheet metal using shearing or die blades. The cut occurs when the shear stress exceeds the strength of the sheet metal. Each sheet metal piece is placed between the punch, which is the upper part, and the die, which is the lower part. Clearance between punch and die is important to prevent sheet metal from fracturing, so 2% is recommended. Clearance level may vary based on factors like sheet metal thickness and cutting operation type. The chosen clearance affects the amount of burr, which is the rough edge, left after cutting. Hi, my name is Gayot, and today I'm going to explain about sheet metal cutting process. Okay, so let's start with the introduction. So now let me explain about punching. Punching cuts out the small part from a sheet metal piece. The detached piece called the slug is typically discarded as scrap. So punching has various variations based on the shape and placement of the punched out piece. The specific punching operation depends on the desired outcome, and the picture in the background is what means as punching. Hi, my name is Gayot, and today I'm going to explain about sheet metal cutting process. Okay, so let's start with the introduction. So let's proceed to the next one, which is blanking. So blanking is a process that cuts an enclosed part of a sheet metal piece using a massive shear force. The punch, shaped according to the desired detail, applies the force to create the detached part. As you can see in the picture behind, that is the part which has been detached. The detached part, known as blanks, become the final product, while the leftover piece is considered scrap. Blanking is used to create a small detail and product like for automotive components, plane washers, and small gears. Hi, my name is Gayot, and today I'm going to explain about sheet metal cutting process. Okay, so let's start with the introduction. Now let's go on to shearing. Shearing is a process to cut sheet metal in a straight line or at an angle. Like in the picture behind, it is like cut in an angle. It is used to divide larger metal pieces into smaller ones for manufacturing. Shearing is a basic preparation step in many industrial processes. It involves positioning the sheet metal between two blades and applying downward force with the upper blade to cut through shear force. The main difference from blanking is the size and accuracy of the operation. Hi, my name is Gayot, and today I'm going to explain about sheet metal cutting process. Okay, so let's start with the introduction. Next, we go to slitting. Based on the picture behind, this is called as slitting. Slitting involves cutting a sheet metal piece using an opposing circular blade. It can create both straight and curved lines similarly to a can opener, like what is shown in the picture. Straight lines are made with idle cutters, while slitting is done manually. Slitting is important to achieve specific widths for further processing. It is often the first step in the sheet metal cutting process for coil form sheet metals. It prepares the sheet metal before more specific operations are performed. Hi, my name is Gayot, and today I'm going to explain about sheet metal cutting process. Okay, so let's start with the introduction. Next, we go on to trimming. Trimming is a crucial process to remove excess material from the borders of workpiece. Like the picture behind, it is typically one of the final operations in sheet metal manufacturing. Trimming ensures clean and precise edges for the workpiece. Machinery is commonly used for trimming in the sheet manufacturing process. The machinery that has been used is also the one in shown in the picture. Hi, my name is Gayot, and today I'm going to explain about sheet metal cutting process. Okay, so let's start with the introduction. So let's go to deburring. Deburring, as what is being shown behind the picture, is performed to remove excess material from a workpiece, similar to trimming, but this is like the final process. Unlike trimming, deburring is done manually using a small hand-sized tool. The primary purpose of deburring is to smooth the edges and eliminate burrs, splinters, or even rough edges. It is typically carried out after the workpiece has been completed or nearly complete. Deburring improves the overall quality and aesthetics of the workpiece. And that is all for sheet metal cutting process. Thank you very much. Hi, my name is Gayot, and today I'm going to explain about sheet metal cutting process. Okay, so let's start with the introduction.